This is what happens when you try to buy groundnut in Cameroon.
C'est bien, hein? Hey.
From Vienna.
I mean, ça c'est pour qui? Il faut ouvrir, je goûte un peu. It doesn't look good, eh? Mais attends, mets un peu seulement, mets un peu. Ça va. It's not good.
You can hear me speaking to them in French.
It's good.
And speaking to my family in my true Cameroonian accent.
Which one is good? Attends d'abord. Which one is good? Which one? Attends d'abord, non. J'ai déjà goûté ça, non. Attends, non. Enlève ta pâte, tu attends d'abord.
Je vais prendre le temps de coller.
Maman.
Ça rentre alors avec.
Which one? Which one? Which one is it? Is it this? Attends, il faut attendre d'abord, non. Attends d'abord. This one? This one looks good. Ça c'est pour qui? C'est combien ici? C'est 2000, non? Oui, pour 2000. C'est la même chose, non? You see, this is a window. This is not the one you're looking for.
These groundnuts are shelled and roasted and eaten as a snack. I've traveled around the world and have yet to eat yummy groundnuts like these ones in Cameroon.
I thought it's a good side d'abord. You say this is a window.
I usually buy a lot of bottles to bring back to the USA to eat and give as gifts too.
Oh, I don't like that.
Let me taste the granite.
Have you ever tried these type of roasted groundnuts?
Oh, sorry, give me to taste it. Why not? I can't wear, mommy. Aiden, don't you see what is happening here?
After a few days of buying groundnut from these women every day, Aiden was so unfazed lol.
Mais on a déjà un ici qu'on a pris. Tu m'as donné aussi. No, don't worry, I take them. I'll take some home. Ok, on a déjà 4, non, c'est fini alors, ça va. J'ai pris avec qui? Qui m'a donné?
I didn't need that many bottles, but I bought them so that I could support their business. I also tipped each of them the price of each bottle of groundnut.
Je vais prendre tout là, c'est comme ça pour faire quoi avec? Non, c'est trop, c'est beaucoup. Baby, you have to pay them. How much? Où sont les autres qui m'ont donné ça? Où sont les autres?